G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today I have got in this big box the APC SMC 1500 IC UPS, which is a 1500VA or 900W uninterruptible power supply that supports the APC Smart Connect technology, which is a cloud-based smart management platform for UPS systems. So I've got this one to provide backup power for a NAS, and as you can see on the box here, it says it's an intelligent and efficient power protection that keeps equipment and data secured and available. So at a full 900W load, this is estimated to run for up to about 8 minutes. I'm planning on running a 500W load on it, so I'm expecting to get more like 10 minutes from it. And the goal being to automatically shut down the NAS in the event that there is a power outage. So as you can see from the picture, this one is a tower UPS, and it is meant to have an LCD panel on it. It's meant to have a USB port and also serial ports. So let's whip this one out of the box and have a closer look at it. The UPS itself is about 20 kilos and the fully packed box is about 23 kilos in total. So there's quite a bit of weight in this, so definitely want to be careful with that when you're trying to work with it. Pretty decent size unit here. We also have stuck to the side of it here our quality assurance test results. Stuck to the top of it is installation and setup instructions there. Then of course we also have here our installation guide, which is the single page, and in this bag which came in the box as well, we've got a couple of cables. We've got two IEC 320C13 plugs, two IEC 320C14 plugs, or male to female cables for hooking this one up. We've also got a USB cable here, which is kind of unusual. It's a male to male USB cable. And then in this booklet is our UPS safety information. We also have a CD with the user guide on it, and we also have information here on the PowerShoot Business Edition software, which does come with this NAS as well. So that's it. That's everything that comes with the NAS. The safety guide, USB male to male cable, a couple of power cables, installation guide, and of course the unit itself. So let's zoom in on this and have a closer look. On the front of the UPS here, we have our LCD. We also have a power button, a mute button, and a menu button here. This front panel can be removed. We have two ventilation points on both sides. It's exactly the same. And then on the back of the unit here, down the bottom, power input, and that's an IEC 320C14 power socket. So that's pretty standard. We then have our overload protection button, which we can push to reset if we do happen to overload the unit. This one here is our battery connector. So this has to be disconnected for transport, but we'll want to plug that in before we can use it. Otherwise the battery won't actually be connected. So that will just slot on into there. Coming on the top, we then have our COM ports. So there you go. That is the APC Smart UPS-C 1500VA Line Interactive Tower UPS with Smart Connect functionality, also known as the SMC 1500 IC. I hope you found this video helpful. For more information and pricing on these units, make sure you check out the affiliate links that are down in the description. And of course, give this video the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Bye for now.